Hello. All right, Richie here, back again at the lab. All right, in this video, we got a 2011 Mercedes Benz S550 4MATIC. There she be. So the customer's complaint was she noticed a fluid leak in her driveway. She said she opened the hood. Her and her friend opened the hood, looked underneath the hood, did not see any leaks. It's dry as a bone. So you come in there, and I looked, and I didn't see any leaks either. Not there. But that being said, I'm going to show you what was leaking. All right, hang on. All right, so back to the car. All right, so it's a 2011 S550 4MATIC. This engine in this car is a 273 engine. All right, and it's got 135,459 miles. So 135,000 miles. All right. Now, as you can see here, I ran my pressure test, and when I did that, I'm going to show you where the leak was. So before I show you where the leak is, right? So obviously, the obvious places: my upper hose, my lower hose. You know, all of my hoses going to my res. Dry as a bone, no leaks. So where's the leak? I'm gonna show you. The leak is up here behind the firewall. And if you see what I'm touching right here, that's your valve that's located in your heating and cooling system. It's called a changeover valve, and the part number for that is 230-830-004. Actually, no, 230-830-0084. All right. Okay. You see that? That's the changeover valve. Changeover valve, part number. All right. Now, back where I was pointing, where you saw me earlier, that's the valve behind the firewall. All right. So here's the valve, brand new. All right. And just to give you an idea, this is him inside the car, and that's where she brakes at the neck. All right, so we're gonna put this new valve in and put some fluid in her. We're gonna do some plugs and a couple of air filters, and that's gonna do it. All right, this is Rich here at the lab, getting some Benz work in as usual. This car is what you call a W221, all right, and that's going to be in the subject line for this video: W221 heating changeover valve replacement. Where it is, and now you know, and you got the part number. Rich here at the lab. We'll see you in the next one.